Beautiful day today, everyone. Our area over here, they're having a neighborhood garage sale. I never did like doing garage sales. It is a pain. But you can make a little bit of extra money that way. So there's all kinds of traffic this morning. I think it's causing the birds to be a little quiet. There's people. They're all up and down the road there. And you know, people can be so rude sometimes in those things. And then again, you meet some really nice people too. My brother's supposed to come over and work some more in the yard today. Hope it stays like this all day today. See the blue skies, there's a few little white clouds. Of course, this is the way it looked yesterday morning if you watched, or I think it was in the afternoon actually when I came out. But it looked like this, and looked like it was going to be nice and everything, and then several hours later, totally different scene, and it rained quite a bit. Here's a few of our friends over here. Good morning. Well, we're going to take off that way. I don't know if my geese took off somewhere. I haven't seen them in several days. Is that what I think it is up? I thought I heard Kitty. She must be in the kitchen knocking something around. She's not up in the window right now though. Hello, birdie. The chicken I fixed last night with the sauce from Aldi was excellent, y'all. It was just delicious. Tonight we're gonna have, unless we change our mind, tonight we're gonna have seafood. Probably, I think we've got some Parmesan encrusted tilapia and some butterfly shrimp, some breaded butterfly shrimp. And we have some crab rangoon, and we got some of the cream cheese filled ones, wontons. They're good. And we've got pot stickers that I won't need to try from Dollar Tree, so we'll pick one of those to go with them. Maybe a vegetable. Well, I don't want this to get too long, so I guess I'll go back in for a while. I need to get some more coffee. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's so peaceful this morning. I'm not used to as many cars going around, but they do this about once a year. So please press that like button and subscribe if you hadn't already. And hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you later on. Bye-bye.